Top Driving Schools Newcastle, affordable lessons for confident drivers. Get behind the wheel with our affordable and comprehensive driving lessons Newcastle. Our experienced instructors ensure you gain the skills and confidence to navigate the roads safely. Why choose us? 1. Affordable rates. We offer Newcastle's most reasonable driving lessons and ensure quality training without breaking the bank. 2. Experienced trainers. Learn from highly skilled instructors with years of experience dedicated to providing top-notch driving education. 3. Flexible scheduling. We offer convenient lesson times to fit your busy lifestyle, making learning at your own pace easier. 4. Comprehensive curriculum. A comprehensive program covering essential driving skills, safety regulations, and practical tips for driving confidently. 5. Positive learning environment. Friendly and supportive atmosphere that encourages students to feel comfortable and confident behind the wheel.